You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's deactivate your Messenger account in 2025. You cannot fully deactivate Messenger without deactivating Facebook. However, you can deactivate your Messenger visibility. Open the Messenger app and tap your profile picture. Scroll down and select Legal and Policies. Tap Deactivate Messenger. Confirm by tapping Deactivate. This will hide your Messenger profile and make you appear inactive. Your messages will remain in others' chats. To reactivate, simply log back into Messenger. To fully deactivate your presence, you must deactivate your Facebook account. Go to facebook.com, click your profile, then Settings and Privacy. Select Settings, click your Facebook information, then Deactivation and Deletion. Choose Deactivate Account. This also deactivates Messenger. Remember, deactivation is temporary. Your data is preserved and can be restored by logging in. If you only want to stop notifications, adjust them in Messenger settings or uninstall the app. Deleting the app does not deactivate your account. For a permanent solution, you would need to delete your Facebook account entirely, which deletes Messenger data after 30 days. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.